Hello kids, Namaskar. How are you all today? I hope you all are safe and good at your home. Yesterday what we did? Yes, we did the revision of chapter number 13, short and long question answers. Yes, I hope you all have remembered it. So today in this video we are going to discuss and do the revision of chapter number 14, our earth, short and long question answer. Alright. So before we start our class, everyone join your hands. Close your eyes.
भूर्भुवस्वः
भूर्भुवस्वः
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं
भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्
So let's start with short question answer. Number first, what do you understand by the axis of the earth? So what do you understand? हमें क्या समझ में आता है by the axis of the earth? What is axis? Yes, it is the imaginary line. Yes, that spin around the earth, right? So how we will write this answer? Let's see it. The earth spin around an imaginary line that passes through its center. This line is called the earth axis. Right? Earth एक axis पे spin होता है. Right? जो center में से गुजरती है. That passes. It passes through its center. So that line is called earth axis. So speak everyone. The earth spin around an imaginary line that passes through its center. This line is called the earth axis. Understood? And ये rotation में होता है. Understand about the axis of the earth? ये एक imaginary line है. Yes, जो pass होती है through its center. And this line is called the earth axis. Now let's see second one. Define rotation. So here you have to give the definition of rotation. So what is rotation? Rotation क्या है? Let's see the answer. The spinning movement of the earth about its own axis is called rotation. Right? Earth का spinning movement खुद की ही एक्सिस पे, right? खुद की ही imaginary line में, that is called rotation. अभी हमने एक्सिस के बारे में लर्न किया. So how you will define rotation? The spinning movement of the earth about its own axis is called rotation. And rotation causes changing in the day and night. Spinning movement जब आप टॉप को spin करते हो तब वो कैसे rotate होता है? Like that way earth also rotate on its own axis. That is called rotation. Understood first and second everyone? So let's move to third one. Define revolution. So here you have to give the definition of revolution. So what is the answer? The movement of the earth around the sun in an orbit is called revolution. Movement of the earth वो भी around the sun के around in an orbit is called revolution, and revolution causes changes in the seasons. Right? Revolution से क्या होता है? Changes into the season. So how you will write the definition of revolution? The movement of the earth around the sun in an orbit. See, revolution में sun के around move होता है earth, और rotation में खुद की ही एक्सिस पे वो spin होता है. So how you will write this answer? The movement of the earth around the sun in an orbit is called revolution. Understood? Now let's see fourth question. What is environment? So here you have to write what is environment. Environment क्या है? Okay? So environment is everything around us. Environment क्या है? सब कुछ जो भी हमारे आसपास है, सब कुछ environment है, surrounding है, which includes living things such as plants, animals, and non-living things such as air, water, and land. So environment में दोनों चीजें includes हैं, living and non-living thing. So how you will give the definition of environment? Environment is everything around us which includes living things such as plants, animals, and non-living things such as air, water, and land. Understood this answer? Okay. So now let's see fifth one. What is pollution? Right? You have to give the definition of pollution. Pollution क्या है? What is pollution? So the unwanted and harmful things, they are getting mixed into our environment and making it dirty and unsafe is called pollution. Pollution क्या है? जो भी unwanted and harmful things हैं, they are getting mixed into our environment and making it dirty and unsafe. हम कैसे रहे वैसे एरिया में जहाँ पे सब जगह पे harmful things ही है, dirty air है, it's not a good place to live, so we cannot live in that place, right? So that is defined as pollution, that is defined as polluted area, right? So how you will write this answer? What is pollution का आंसर आप कैसे लिखोगे? Unwanted and harmful things. Speak everyone. Unwanted and harmful things are getting mixed into our environment and making it dirty and unsafe is called pollution. Understood? Say everyone one more time. Unwanted and harmful things are getting mixed into our environment and making it dirty and unsafe is called pollution. So here we have completed the discussion of short question answer. I hope you all have learned it. Please do revise in your home again. So now let's move to long question answer. Long question answer number first. What causes day and night? राइट. डे एंड नाइट कैसे होता है? व्हाट कॉजेज डे एंड नाइट? वी ऑल नो दैट रोटेशन कॉजेज डे एंड नाइट, बट वी कैन नॉट राइट इन वन सेंटेंस. हम वन सेंटेंस में नहीं लिख सकते ये आंसर. वी हैव टू डिफाइन इट एंड पूरा हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन देना पड़ेगा बिकॉज इट इज लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आंसर. सो हाउ वी विल राइट? लेट्स सी इट. हाउ वी विल स्टार्ट दिस आंसर? द अर्थ गेट इट्स लाइट फ्रॉम द सन. अर्थ को लाइट कहां से मिलती है? सन से. एज द अर्थ रोटेट, ओनली वन हाफ द अर्थ फेसेस द सन. राइट. जब अर्थ रोटेट होता है तो सिर्फ एक पार्ट अर्थ का सन की तरफ मुड़ता है. एंड दिस पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ गेट्स लाइट फ्रॉम द सन एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट एक्सपीरियंसेस डे. Okay, understood? Because it is facing the sun, so that's why this part of the earth which gets light from the sun, they experiences day, and the other part of the earth which doesn't get light, right? जो दूसरा पार्ट है उसको लाइट नहीं मिल रही है, so that's why that part of the earth will experiences night. Okay, do you understand this? So how we will start this answer? We will start this answer like this. The earth get its light from the sun. So when the earth rotate, only one half of the earth faces the sun. This part of the earth which get light from the sun, they experiences day. And the other part of the earth does not get light from the sun and experiences night. I hope you understand this answer. Okay, so let's move to second one. How does air become polluted? Write 2 ways to keep it clean. राइट. अब हमें यहाँ पे बताना है कि एयर पॉल्यूशन कैसे होता है एंड व्हाट आर द 2 वेज इन विच वी कैन मेक द एयर क्लीन, जो बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है आज के टाइम पे. राइट. सो व्हाट इज एयर पॉल्यूशन यू हैव टू राइट एंड व्हाट आर द वेज इन विच वी कैन कीप द एयर क्लीन. सो हाउ वी विल राइट दिस आंसर? लेट्स सी इट. Vehicles and factories release smoke which mix into the air, making the air polluted. Vehicles, factories में से जो भी waste होता है, जो भी smoke होता है, it mixed with the air and it causes the air pollution. It makes the air polluted. Yes or no? ये सब कुछ व्हीकल्स एंड फैक्ट्रीज के हिसाब से ही होता है. दैट्स व्हाई वी से कि इफ वी ग्रो मोर प्लांट्स सो दिस प्रॉब्लम्स गेट डिक्रीजेस. सो व्हीकल्स एंड फैक्ट्रीज रिलीज स्मोक विच मिक्सेस इनटू द एयर, मेकिंग द एयर polluted. And 2 ways to keep air clean are, what are the 2 ways in which we keep the air clean? Avoid using car for short distances. ये बहुत ज़्यादा important है. We should avoid using car when we have to travel for short distances. And second, avoid burning garbage as it produces harmful gases. Right? Garbage को भी burn नहीं करना है हमें because उससे भी बहुत सारे harmful gases produce होते हैं हमारे environment में and which make the air polluted. So I hope you remember these 2 points, that we should avoid using car for short distances and we should avoid burning garbage as they produces harmful gases. Understood? So how you will write this answer? Vehicles and factories release smoke which mixes in the air, making the air polluted. 2 ways to keep air clean are avoid using car for short distances, and avoid burning garbage as it produces harmful gases. So now let's see third one. How does water become polluted? Write 2 ways to keep it clean. So how water is becoming polluted? Because of factory waste is often dumped into water bodies such as rivers and lake. Yes, factory का जो भी waste है, chemical waste and all, it is released in the water bodies, right? And sometimes people defecate near lakes and river. So this type of activities make the water polluted. एक तो फैक्ट्रीज के वेस्ट जो डंप किए जाते हैं वाटर बॉडीज के पास, एंड सम पीपल विच defecate near water bodies. They wash their clothes, defecate there, they play there, right? Their kids play there. They wash their utensils. So this type of things, this type of activities make the water polluted. So what are the 2 ways to keep the water clean? The number first, we should not throw waste. Yes, जो भी गार्बेज का वेस्ट है, जो भी हमारे फैक्ट्रीज का वेस्ट है, हाउस होल्ड का वेस्ट है, we should not throw it into the water bodies and we should not defecate near water bodies. वहां पे defecate करना भी अच्छी बात नहीं है. So how we will write this answer? Factory waste is often dumped into water bodies such as rivers and lake. People sometimes defecate near lakes and river. These activities make the water polluted. 2 ways to keep water clean are: do not throw garbage into water bodies and do not defecate near water bodies. So understood this? So now let's move to 4th question. How can you reduce wastage of paper? Right? हमें कैसे हम कम कर सकते हैं wasting the paper? Right? So how you will write this answer? We should reduce the consumption of paper. Consumption means used. So we should reduce the consumption of paper by using both side of the paper. दोनों side use करो paper के. Yes. Even scrap of paper should be collected and sent for recycling. Right? जो भी हमने पेपर को वेस्ट किया है उसको भी हमें थ्रो नहीं करना है, उसको हमें कलेक्ट करके रिसाइकल के लिए सेंड कर देना है. राइट? सो हाउ यू विल राइट दिस आंसर? We should reduce the consumption of paper by using both the side, and even scrap of paper should be collected and sent for recycling. So here we have completed the discussion of and we have completed the revision of chapter number 14, short and long question answer. Revise one more time at your home. Okay, dear kids. So bye everyone. Take care.